Hi everyone, this is our common bond and lesson 4, so please feel free to read along with me. So this is lesson 4 called Australia's Democratic Beliefs, Rights and Liberties. At the citizenship ceremony, you pledge that you share Australia's democratic beliefs and that you respect the rights and liberties of the people of Australia. Australia is a democracy. A democracy is a system of government in which citizens freely choose representatives to govern the country and make laws on their behalf. Australians believe in peace, respect, freedom and equality. An important part of being Australian is respecting each other's differences and choices, even if you don't agree with those choices. It is about treating people fairly and giving all Australians equal opportunities and freedoms, no matter where they come from, what their traditions are, or whether they are male or female. These democratic beliefs have shaped our country and culture and are a reason why so many people want to become Australian. It is therefore very important that you understand these democratic beliefs and the rights and liberties of all Australian people respect. So democracy, obviously democratic beliefs. Democracy is where people have a say, a vote. People who are become MPs, people who are part of the government, they have been voted there by people in the country. Anything else in there? Representatives. So an MP is a representative of the people. Let's read on to our democratic beliefs and parliamentary democracy. Australia's system of government is a parliamentary democracy. This means that all Australians are involved in how the country is governed. The power of the government comes from the Australian people because Australian citizens regularly vote for people to represent them in Parliament. Only Parliament has the power to make and change the laws that govern the country. In parliamentary democracy, the representatives in Parliament must answer to the people through elections for the decisions they make. The rule of law, let's read that together. Australia's laws are important for all people living in Australia. Australians recognise the value of laws in maintaining a peaceful and orderly society. All Australians have the right to be protected by Australia's laws. Everyone must obey Australia's laws. If they don't obey the law, they may be arrested by the police and have to go to court. All Australians are equal under the law, and no person or group is above the law. This is called the rule of law. People who hold positions of power in the Australian community must obey Australia's laws. This includes government, community and religious leaders, as well as business people and the police. Let's read the next bit, living peacefully. We are proud to live in a peaceful country with a stable system of government. We believe that change should occur through discussion, peaceful persuasion, and the democratic process. We reject violence as a way to change a person's mind or the law. All right, hopefully all those words are okay. So the next section is respect for all individuals regardless of background. People come to settle in Australia from countries all over the world. Many people have a different cultural heritage with different beliefs and traditions. In our democratic society, we are all free to follow and share these beliefs and traditions as long as they do not break Australian laws. We value this freedom and expect all Australians to treat each other with dignity and respect, regardless of their race, country of origin, gender, sexual preference, marital status, age, disability, heritage, culture, politics, wealth, or religion. We value this mutual respect for the dignity of all people. And then lastly, compassion for those in need. Excuse me. In Australia, there is a spirit of mateship. This means we help and receive help from each other in times of need. A mate is often a friend, but can also be a total stranger. A mate might take a meal to an elderly neighbour, drive a friend to a medical appointment, or visit somebody who is lonely. Because of this spirit of mateship, many individual people and groups help others through voluntary community work. You can also be a volunteer. Volunteering can be very satisfying. It is also a great opportunity to share knowledge, learn new skills, and increase your sense of belonging to the Australian community. Our government also supports Australians in need through social security and other services. Well, I wonder how you got on reading along with me. Watch out for this webpage. There will be more lessons arriving soon. All right, see you soon.